Hi everyone, welcome to another video on JEDSTAR in my channel. This is Mr. Aslan speaking about crypto. So, uh, before we go ahead, the same old disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, or neither is this financial advice. Please do your own research before you get into any token in the crypto space out there, and be careful from all those scammers. So, moving on, a couple of good announcements that we have got from JEDSTAR. The first one being the AMA that's happening tomorrow, and that's on 23rd of September, 1 p.m. GST. Just mark the calendar, mark the date. You can join in Telegram, and I'll also be trying to do a live stream of the same on this channel, so you can join in here as well if you're comfortable. So that would be good to see. Couple of questions which I have, which I would like to pose, as well as all you guys out there who would like to know what Jetstar is and what the team is about. They're a docs team. You can come down to their website. You can check my other videos where I have covered the details of the white paper as well as the projects in depth. I really like the artwork that they are into. That's the reason I was really enticed to actually go ahead and invest myself in the token. So yes, the team is docs. The team is good enough. You can check the community chat as well. They are very helpful and they are very transparent too. It's always a straightforward answer to whatever question you have. It is no hocus pocus magic out there. So it's not the hype as well. It's all about getting the job done. So these guys are really committed to what they want to do, and that's what really interested me in getting into this token as well. So moving on, we did see a good price action yesterday in terms of the listing, and yes, there is a sell off. I mean, the buy listing, I mean, on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, yes, Jetstar is listed right now from yesterday. We did see a good spike, and then there was a sell off. Yes, it is expected. The main reason being people would like to take profits. No one can stop them on that. But yes, as and when we have new people coming into the chain, then we can definitely see that the growth of the entire token is good enough. Oh my god, I guess I lost my internet. Just a second, guys, let me just quickly check on that. Yep, here we are. Got my internet back. So, yes, guys. So I was checking out the address token addresses holders. So you can just go ahead and see that it's increased to 813 addresses. Out of this, yes, there are a few addresses which are bots and very minor volumes, but this is good to see that we have been growing in a good manner. As soon as the listing was done, I think we immediately saw a jump of almost close to 180 to 200 addresses out there. So that's good. In fact, more people are getting aware about the token, and trust me on this. This would be a token which is for a long-term investment. It is not something for a short term. But yes, people who are looking into short-term diversification of the portfolio, they definitely can get into the token right now. My suggestion: be one of the top 100 holders, or be one of those 1,000 holders with a minimum of 1,000 JED. So you receive the free NFT. The artwork is really amazing. So you can go ahead and receive the NFT. Then feel free to do what you want. I mean, it's ultimately your money, and you will be the decision maker. And no one can actually ask you why you sold, or no one can actually ask you why you bought, right? So just my suggestion over here: you can buy it, hold it for a couple of months, see how the price action goes. If you're still happy with the price action, you can go ahead and keep it for a longer duration, because as per my analysis, the potential that this token has is very huge. And on top of that, the amount of volume or the value that I'm actually pegging this token would be in dollars. Trust me on this, guys, it would happen. It would be in dollars. The main reason I've been quoting this in all my earlier videos as well, being the supply. The supply is very limited, and this is the first token in their ecosystem. There are two other tokens that they would be coming out with, which is also good to know. So we would see more utility, and they are also planning to come down with their own games as well. So their major agenda is to come down to the GameFi space. So taking that into consideration, that's a space which is having a lot of potential for growth, and a lot of volume or people out there in the world also which would support it. So who wouldn't like to play games? I mean, you see from a lot of children to all big adults who would love to play games. So including me, in fact, I'm an avid gamer, just to for the record. But on the sidelines, what I'm majorly looking at is the number of people that this platform might attract, and whatever games you play are all play to earn. They would give you incentivized incentivized tokens or incentivized NFTs on whatever the NFTs that you can obtain in the game. You are definitely free to go ahead and sell them in the marketplace. And Jet definitely has its own NFT marketplace. Speaking about NFT marketplace, I have a quick announcement to make. Where did that go? I always keep my tabs open, but for some reason it gets refreshed, guys. Yep, here you are. Let me just mute the volume. Yep. If you look at this, I mean, sorry for the bandwidth. I think it's my internet connection, but Agora Marketplace that's coming in November is their NFT marketplace. They have literally announced it yesterday and they have given it a name as well. The name is a little catchy, Agora. Yes, it definitely adds up with the sci-fi kind of genre that they're getting into. It's really nice to see. Good way of promoting it. I did see a couple of other artwork as well, small snippets or videos which were published. You can just go check that out in their official page. I guess let me just see if I can pull them out here right now. My bandwidth, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, however, let me just check. I think it should come. Yup, and we are on. Where did that go? There was a couple of community made artwork. All right, I wouldn't like to waste your time on that on the video, but yeah, you can go check that out, guys. So it's really good. Nice to see that they have announced it publicly, and it's coming this November, and that's really nice because they are getting their first product out. In fact, the second product out, to be frank, the first product was a small game on Telegram. Uh, so it was good and cool. It was all that kind of those what do you call? Uh, those retro kind of games where you had a space shooter kind of a genre, and it was nice, and it was like pixelated kind of a graphic that you had, right? So those old Game Boy or old what I can say, the Sega games that you used to see, right? I mean, I'm speaking of something similar to that crypto punks NFTs that you have. So all pixelated and stuff. So that was the kind of graphics that they utilized. Really good to see, and it did give me a lot of childhood memories. Just join the Telegram group. You can go ahead and play that game as well. Really neat and slick, simple yet enjoyable. So on the sidelines, it's not an actual product from them just to be quoting. That's what they have confirmed. It was just made for fun, just to establish the fact that they are doing something serious and they just want something to be given out as a fun factor for the community engagement. So this is nice. This is a big announcement. And one more big announcement that I've already told you guys in the starting of the video would be the AMA that they have planned on 23rd of September. That is tomorrow at 1 p.m. GST. Stay tuned, join the Telegram group, join the Telegram chat, and join into the live session or the AMA that is being held. Ask your questions, get to know the community, get to know the project, get to know the development team. After which, if you are convinced, I would definitely recommend you to go ahead and put it. My personal recommendation, like I've quoted, you can join in now, be the part of either the top 100 out of the 1,000 holders or one among the 1,000 holders with a minimum of 1,000 JED. Get the NFTs, then feel free to do what you want, right? That's something that I'm actually suggesting for anyone as such. But trust me, this is a very good project. I personally feel, again, this is my personal opinion, guys, nothing in terms of biased inputs. It's my personal opinion because me being a gamer, and as far as the research that I have gone through, if you watch my earlier videos as well, I have explained about the opportunities or potential of GameFi. So taking that into consideration, if these guys come out with a game which is engaging the entire crowd out there, think of PUBG and the amount of users out there, think of Call of Duty and the amount of users out there, think of how many people are making money just by streaming those videos on Twitch or YouTube. Imagine you can still make money by selling whatever guns or individual items that you can get on in the game on a marketplace. Passive income, easy money. At the end of the day, you still enjoy the game. So this is the major advantage, and that's why I'm into this project. I'm very bullish, and I'm very confident this project has a lot of heights to reach. This is just the beginning. Whatever sense we are seeing right now, it is not even a dot in the entire space that they have actually planned. I'm definitely pegging this in terms of dollars. I would honestly say, as per my research, if the products that they have promised, or if the roadmap wise devising the plans, whatever they have actually put across, if that comes into effect or picture, I would definitely see Jetstar to be a worth of a minimum of $10 in the next 6 months. A minimum of $10. You can take this as a timestamp from my video. I'll just be monitoring it from my side. So that's the reason I'm a little bullish on that. And yes, I have not invested a huge bag. To be frank, I have invested a small amount, and full transparency in this, guys. So I have invested a small amount because even I was a little skeptical before I got into this project. But by the time I got into it and I got to know things about it, and I thought of investing more, the price has already shot up. So let's see if I can probably go ahead and invest more on this in the coming days. But yeah, even now, let me tell you, it is a good point for entry. I did enter this particular project at the price point of 2.8 cents. That's almost close to 3 cents is when I entered the project. And I have a small bag with me, a small tiny bag with me, but enough to qualify for the NFTs. That's what I would say. But even now, when you're looking at it, it's at 7 cents. It's a good dip because it did reach 8 cents, 8.4 cents yesterday when the listing happened, and then now it is down to around 7ish cents. So you can still go ahead and purchase it. It's still a good price point if you are looking forward to purchase. Again, it's your decision. No biasing, no inputs, just my small research based information that I would like to give you guys. If you still want to go ahead and purchase, you can check out my other video where I have in detail explained how you can do it via PancakeSwap, or you can come down to this website, click on buy JetStar. It will direct you to PancakeSwap, connect to your wallet. The first and foremost thing, take the contract address because the jet token would not ideally be listed there. Probably, if in case you are not able to find it, go ahead and take the contract address. But now, since it is listed in Coinbase, I believe it should come. But yeah, okay, it says added by user, so it's coming for me. But yeah, just check that out. If in case it's not coming, always take the contract address, add the token manually, so import it, and you would be able to purchase Jetstar. So that's it for this video, guys. Big announcements, two important news to note. One, their marketplace launch is due for November. Agora is the marketplace name. That's for NFTs. And the second one, the live AMA that's going to happen tomorrow on Telegram. I will also be trying to stream that on my channel live along with the developers out there. If you have any questions, join the Telegram group, join the AMA, quick ask them all the questions that you would like to ask. Also, you can post these questions if you are wanting to join my live stream. You are free to go ahead and put your questions on the comments box here as well in this video, so I can collate them, and probably I would go ahead and ask the same questions to them as well, so you would get an answer to that. So that's it for this video, guys. Watch out for these two things: the Agora marketplace that's coming this November, the AMA that's happening tomorrow. That might give you a lot more belief on what the project is, or a lot more information on whether you should ideally invest, which would help you to make a quick decision on if you want to become an investor in Jetstar or want to wait it out and see how it pans. So just a tiny small information that I would like to give. I felt like sharing this with you guys. I had actually asked one of my friend to go ahead and invest in Jetstar the time I actually got in as well. So I had just reviewed the project. I felt it was good, and I obviously advised a few of my friends out there, anyone who were well wishers for me. So I just advised them. I just told them that this is something good that you can check out, and if you are interested, go ahead and put a small amount into it. So few of them did put into it, and now they are happy with the profit that they've already got. They've already doubled their price, whatever they had initially put across, right? So the others, there were a few of them who were a little skeptical about it. But now they, yesterday or day before, I had a little bit of conversation with few of them, and they were actually not so happy because now they will have to pay double the amount what they had to pay earlier. But I did tell them that whatever you pay now is a worthy investment. So that's something that you had definitely look out for, because The way I see it, the potential Jetstar has would be a easy 1000x. Easy 1000x is what I'm saying, because the volume of trade that is happening right now, if you come down to the Jetstar, daily volume in the Dex tools, you see it's hardly around 64, 66, 70 thousand dollars. Just a 10x here, and the market cap increase. It's just market cap is just around $7 million, right? So this will definitely increase, guys, because main the supply and the value of the token over here. So this will be a 1000x easily. And like I said, in the next 6 months, $10 is what we are looking for. So that's a good price point, a good amount of profit. So now is that the right time for you to get into? And we also see that there is a small dip. Yes, it is coming. People are selling. If you look at on the technical chart right now on the video, guys, it did happen on the video. Just for the record, you see this crossover. Sorry, since this crossover is there, now the selling has started. It would enable people to get into this project right now at a good price point and establish their position as well. I'm going to be watching this out. I'm going to see if this reaches a appreciable, I mean, a good amount of a good number where I can actually put in more tokens. I'll definitely go ahead and do that from my side. I mean, that's my personal opinion. Again, I leave it to you guys on making a decision. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe and support, and also go ahead and share this video to all those people out there to spread the message on Jet as well as any other cryptocurrencies which are there in my video list. So do hit the like button if you like this video, and do comment below, like I said, and what you feel about Jetstar, what you feel about the upcoming market space, and the final announcement to all those out there who are artists and looking at this video. Jetstar is looking out for artists. They have also quoted this in their Telegram group. So if you are one among them, or if you are interested in trying to sell your art and partner with Jetstar, I think it's a right opportunity for you guys to go ahead and contact the team either through Telegram or through Twitter, so that they can get back to you, and probably you both can work out a sweet spot where both are beneficial, right? So they definitely are looking forward for good amount of artists. So if you are one among them who is watching this video, or anyone who is watching this video knows any other artist who is wanting to be part of Jetstar community or sell their art basically, right? So not being part of the community, or not being exactly invested in Jetstar as such. If you want to sell your art, this is a good marketplace. You can go ahead and do it. So that's what I would like to put across in the end. Thank you so much again for watching this video, guys. Have fun.